Anyway, so that was Tracy's. Y'all gonna get a.
Now you're gonna get. Where we going, Monty?
We're gonna get juice now, right now. So we're gonna get first. We're gonna get juice. So where's the juice you want?
It's down there at Myers.
At Miser.
Not my yours. My yours.
J. K.
JK.
LMNOP. Remember? We were playing the game on the way here.
Man, I told you I ended that game like 3 times.
Really?
You know I got distracted.
I know. That's why I ended the game 3 times.
What were you playing?
Alphabet game.
The alphabet.
Oh my god.
That
That's
is
why I just said J.
J.
Z and Zebo's done.
I hate you.
Oh my goodness! I had to go from A to Z. What's wrong with y'all? Y'all haven't got your school stuff together. By God, we go from A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, and y'all went from B to Z.
J.
J to Z.
The 2 hardest Oh wait a minute, Theo, you didn't get a Q.
I did acute equipment already. I had.
Where's the X?
Oh, Mom,
X,
that's
Y, and
easy
Z.
to get an X.
Did I want to go to ABC first, or I want to get this juice?
No.
We're getting juice first, right?
Yes.
Okay, where we
Get
getting juice
the
from?
juice.
So we gotta turn back
See,
around.
that-
and
She
go.
changed her mind just so that you know if you didn't see it. Oh, I like the door going this way.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
did.
Oh, I don't know
The
if we
door.
did say that.
We looked at the door.
What? What are we going to Meyer for? I need some substance.
Oh.
Okay. We were see there. He wants substance to his juice.
You weren't
Now we
trying
didn't. I don't know how we're gonna get it in
Well,
that bottle.
The problem is getting in Meyer. That means that I start wandering through.
Exactly. That's why I didn't go there. You think I'm crazy?
Oh my good gracious!
Y'all see that face, right? Y'all see that look?
Where's the look? See the look back there?
Look.
It's back there now.
I'm ignoring that look.
It's
because
there.
I get that look every day.
Not here.
See, look,
There.
look, listen, y'all. When I drive anywhere with her, so yeah, mind y'all, forget about this. Okay, that one, Abdul the Butcher back in the back seat back there, aka the lady, that one, the one that was on my video that said Abdul the Butcher. Yeah. So y'all gonna see that from now on every video that she's in. It's gonna be above her name. It says Abdullah the Butcher. Just know it.
It's mean and stupid.
See, we're on day 3. Oh, you gotta be kidding me! I missed the light. See, look
Miss
at
Light.
this. We're on day
See there?
3.
He's almost missed the light. That's why I say they can't do 2 things at once. They are one mind. One mind. Look, yes, she is. See, she's done gone one mind. We used to have to do 5 things at once. We had to hold the kid in this arm. We had to wash the dishes with this one.
The word for the day is persevere.
Whoa! That was in yesterday's word. You can't use the same word twice.
I said patience yesterday.
Patience, and then you said persevere in the video.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No.
You want to watch it again?
I did not. And if
Did
it
too.
is, it's required. Because
It
you
was
use every
patience
doggone day.
and
And perseverance was in there.
patience and
Really?
patience.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Patience. Love.
Determination. That's the word. The word is
Yeah,
determination.
you're determined to get a fridge today. That's the whole
We're-
truth.
that is the truth. We're going to get a
And if
refrigerator.
she tries to open up the door to the fridge one more time,
One more again.
one more again,
One more again.
Well, they
and then
forget
realize
I
that
go
she
there.
shouldn't have to open up the door.
When
All
you raise 5 children, remember, you
Y'all-
open that door 100 times a
We're
day.
not in Europe where you buy food fresh every day.
Y'all want a biscuit? Is that what y'all want? Y'all want a
A
biscuit?
biscuit somewhere.
Either Burger King or McDonald's or something?
Ew.
No, neither.
Ew.
You don't want neither.
Mm.
Okay.
You know, if you're really that hungry, Bob Evans is very close.
We're not sitting in Bob Evans.
We
and
sitting
we
there, we
Bob
gotta
Evans.
get
Breakfast. You just
just
said
said
breakfast.
Focus. We
We
got to
just
get
did
the
Bob
fridge.
Evans the other day.
Yeah,
Focus.
he said he needs substance. He's hungry.
I am
You-
hungry.
Haven't been fed, and you need juice. She gonna get juice.
Where are we getting juice from now? 'Cause we done passed 2 places with juice.
I just
Wendy's has got
So now we're gonna go
juice.
sit at Bob Evans while we're sitting here. Wendy's at Wendy's at 10 o'clock in the morning.
No, we turn around and go back to the store to see the other fridge.
I mean,
Where was the fridge, Monica?
it
At
was at
Lowe's,
ABC.
ABC, and at Lowe's.
And there's a store just said kitchen and bath. What's wrong?
What store just
What's
said
the
kitchen?
kitchen and
Right there
bath?
just said kitchen and bath.
Oh, it was closed. You know what? We're going to Panera, y'all.
Okay.
y'all have to stop and think. It's not closed.
What's
I'm
closed?
getting a smoothie.
A smoothie.
Ooh, a
Who's eating a
That's
smoothie.
nutritious.
Do you hear that? She's gone from juice to smoothie.
I don't need it.
Smoothie.
A
Shut up.
smoothie.
I think I'm allowed to get what I want.
Smoothies.
I'm
Yes.
over 18. I can get.
Are you sure? You did just die in the back seat. And you kind of popped back up. Like, you're right. You might be 1,800 years old, like your mommy.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, I'll tell you. You know what?
Hey! I'm driving. You see, hands are on the wheel. See.
Why did you turn right there?
Because you can't do it right
You
there.
could have turned through the men's warehouse and gone
You know,
across the
ain't
house.
nobody want to do all
Oh,
that.
sideways
Ain't
driving.
nobody want to do it. That's illegal.
You guys, this is my life. I told you.
A
This
life,
is her
my
life.
Don't
This
turn in
is
front of him.
no. Mm-mm.
Grandma Moses there don't know where she's driving in. Okay, I'm sorry.
Grandma Moses.
I'm sorry.
The Mosey in the back is talking about Grandma Moses.
I drive faster than you do. What in the? Oh.
She
ever
got
lovely.
her Grandma Moses in the back.
No. Jesus.
Oh.
You hear 'em? They're
Woosa.
you hear 'em?
Woosa.
They're panting.
You know where that's from?
Wait,
Woosa.
who's a
Bad
woosa?
boy. What you gonna do?
Bad
Woosa.
boy.
I need a woosa. Let's go get you some juice, Mom.
Alright, y'all. The next
We're
video, she's
getting
gonna
her
have
juice.
juice now.
We're getting
And we'll be
juice.
back in a couple
She's
minutes.
gonna-